Hello everyone. In this video I will tell you about the last garlic dressing that should be done this year. Because already in mid-June, garlic begins a new stage, namely the outflow of nutrients from the leaves into the bulb. Thus, the garlic bulb increases, and now you see this sign on the video. This is the yellowing of the leaves and is closer to harvesting garlic. The leaves will be more yellow and will decrease in size, because all the food that we managed to give garlic for the season accumulated in the leaves. The wider and thicker the leaves are now. In the end, the garlic bulb will be larger. As we can see a very thick trunk, and you know that the head of garlic will be large enough for its variety. Therefore, if you want to squeeze as much as possible the size of the bulb from your variety, then do not miss this feeding now. It will help to accelerate and strengthen the outflow of nutrition from the leaves into the garlic bulb. We still have wet ground after the rain, and you before feeding, if you already have a drought. Be sure to pour water over the garlic. And we will carry out this top dressing superficially, because with the growth of the garlic bulb, it has risen up a little. Since we planted it at a depth of about 3 inches, now it is at a maximum depth of 2 inches, and now you need to feed it with potassium sulfate. Or potassium sulfate, which contains up to 50% potassium. It is he who influences the outflow of nutrition and the increase in garlic bulbs. And the dosage of this drug is as follows: for 10 quarts of water, we will need 1 tablespoon without a slide. There are approximately 30 grams of potassium sulfate. Even if you gain a little more, it's okay, it won't be considered an overdose. Add to the water and mix thoroughly. Potassium sulfate is well soluble in water. Well, actually we do a good watering with this fertilizer. The consumption should be 10 quarts per 2 square meters. Then we can be sure that the soil will be well saturated with potassium sulfate and will get directly to the roots themselves. So do not miss this feeding, because the result will surprise you. Do not forget to remove shoots with seeds on garlic. As you can see, I cut almost all the shoots on garlic. And why almost? Because I leave a few shoots in order to understand when the garlic is ripe and it's time to dig it out. But this is a topic for a separate video. Therefore, friends to whom the information from this video was useful, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in the new videos.